Hello, welcome to Journeys with Jimmyjosh, an audio and spiritual guide. I'm Jimmyjosh. Let's go on a journey. Well, we're gonna go on a journey with Jimmyjosh into the jungle on a journey with Jimmyjosh. Won't you go on this journey with Jimmyjosh today? Today, we will explore the Amazon rainforest by using our imagination. So, find a quiet place, close your eyes, relax, and take a journey with me. Our journey starts somewhere along the Amazon River, the largest river in the world, and home to the majestic Amazonian manatee, also known as the sea cat. Blub, 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 blub. These gentle giants face their largest threat from the most dangerous animal of all, man. While the realities of poaching are abstract to us, to the manatee, it is very real. The Amazon River, as well as the rainforest surrounding it, is home to many, many more animals that won't all be mentioned on this short journey today. Scientists have described hundreds of thousands of unique species in the rainforest. So, for practical purposes, I will only mention around half. As we begin walking away from the river and into the dense forest, we experience the full array of Amazonian rainforest smells. I've never been there. I have no idea what it smells like, but I imagine it smells vaguely like a fruit smoothie. The first animal we encounter in the dense rainforest is the jaguar, solitary apex predators of the rainforest. I think there's something to be learned from the jaguar's proud solitude. A message about self-love, about trusting yourself, and not needing the validation of others. Of course, it is just a cat though. As we continue our move through the forest, we're surrounded by a chorus of frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. There are over 1,000 different species of frogs in the Amazon rainforest, making it one of the most diverse locations for frog life. This variety is truly the spice of life. It's important that we all make our lives extra spicy. Hearing from diverse groups of people and encountering a variety of viewpoints can enrich our lives in a similar way, I feel, to how biodiversity enriches the Amazon. There are some birds in the trees above us. They kind of look like fancy chickens. I don't know what these sound like, so instead, here's a variety of bird noises. But this is the rainforest, baby. These are no mere chickens. They are Watsins, majestic tree birds, known for being way cooler than chickens. The next animal we encounter is the giant anteater. Now there's actually nothing interesting to say about them, so let's keep going. Ooh. Actually, it seems our journey will have to conclude on that. Deforestation of the Amazons, as well as my own lack of motivation to think of more animals, has stopped this episode from going any longer. While this imagined trek we took was no doubt thrilling, it likely doesn't compare with the actual majesty of Earth's largest rainforest. For now, it's still possible to travel and experience it for real. There's no guarantee it will remain for future generations. This audio, and I'm 100% confident in this audio might eventually be mankind's best way to experience the rainforest. That's just something to think about when you inevitably recommend this to your friends. Now, take care, be kind, and smash that motherfucking like button. Well, we're going on a journey to the jungle with Jimmyjosh. Thank you for going on a journey with Jimmyjosh. Please come again on a journey with Jimmyjosh. Thank you.